Hello friends, welcome to a new video. My name is Roland and today is about Revit again. You see here the model I started. Our plan today is to see how to change the Revit language. We will begin with the Revit language, and then we will see how to do this glass facade, how to put the facade here, like you can see here. And at the end we will see how to export the IFC the type, so that it can be used in other program or just for the transportation in other using. So we will start with to see how to change the language, like I said. So let us close Revit. We will close it. Yeah. Okay, we will close the Revit, and for the first time we will start to change the language. Okay, to change the language in Revit, we will come on the Revit button and we will right click like this, and come here at this place, and now we have this window that is open, and here you see where you see language. We will just just change it and put A and G. Okay, when you finish, we'll just click on this button and okay. Now we will go back inside Revit and open it again. Open Revit again. I can do it from here, that's not a problem. Okay. The program is opening. It look like our change didn't work, so let me go back a little bit, close it again. I will close it again and open. Okay, like you can see, we changed the language, so we just need to restart. So that is what the program needed, and now we did it, and you see now we have Revit in English. Okay, we will continue. Like I said, I will open this project again. Okay, the next thing we will do is to see how to put the glass facade. We will put the glass facade, and after that we will see how to export our model. So this is, for example, our facade. We will let me go back in 3D. Okay, we have it here. Okay, we will take example this one. This is, we'll take example on this or this one. So this is the second plan, no, the first. So we will open it. I think it's this one for the second. Okay, let's go back here. Okay, this is the facade. You can check it again in English in 3D views. This is this one, for example. Okay, how to put this? How to put the facade we see here? So to put the facade, we will go back here, and what we will do is to go back to wall, open it, and we just have facade here. That is because I just use it before. It's the last type I use, so that is why I still have it here. So I can change it. You see, I have different type of wall. So, but this is for the facade I want to use. So if I want to use it, I will just click on it, and I will put it here. Now I just have to choose, okay, which level do I want the facade to be and how high I want the facade to be. So I will just come here inside the wall, and I will put, like you can see here, you see, and I will put another one here. You see, that's what I have. And now I can check inside the 3D views what I have, what I just put now. Let me turn it. You see, it's level 1. This is what I just put. Okay, now I can if I want to change something, there, I can go on it, click on it, maybe reduce, like here, can reduce it, and you see what I have. Or I can even bring it a little bit this way, or move it this way, or like this. Okay, at the end I have this small space here. So this is how to work with glass facade. If I want to put glass inside my building, this is how I can do it. So this is the second one we put. You can also work on it, maybe reduce it if you want, and maybe even move it like this. So you see what I have, what I did here. Okay, now the next thing we have to do, the next thing we plan to do is to see how to export our model. How to export our model? We will export the model, and then we will visualize it in Beam Vision. Beam Vision is a free program to visualize IFC detail. So we will export our model. So to export our model, we will go on File, click on it, and then click on Export. And here you see IFC. I click on it, and we have a different possibility to export our model. This is a very easy way to export. I can just click on it. I will just choose the place I want my IFC to be conserved, and if I want to change it, maybe on the desktop, I will just click here, and now I can also I also have to change the name. Okay, let me say project 7, and I will conserve. Okay, now my data will be on the desktop. Now if I am going to put some modification in the data I want to export, in the IFC data I want to export, I'll just come here and make my modification for set up my modification. What I don't, maybe I have things I don't want to export, or maybe I just want to export some part of the building. This is where I can change it. But today the most important is to make you know how to export the data. And for the if you want to make some modification, we don't want to export something, it will be in the next video. So when I finish to make the setup, I'll just click OK, and everything will be ticked. And now I can click on export and just wait. Program is taking a little bit time. I think now it's finished. Okay, now when the program is finished, we can reduce. And now what do we have? We have our IFC here, but it didn't work like I was planned. So let us check again what why we don't have our IFC like we wanted to have. So go back again, export, yes, and we will use this. Okay, we will use this one, IFC option, export. So we check it again if everything is okay. We click on when we finish everything we want to export. We will click on OK. Let us check again. I will delete it and let me check. Again, export, yes, IFC, yes, and when I finish I will just click on export. Okay, now I see export. The name I'm using is connected to the project, so that is why I couldn't change the name. So when we finish, we have our IFC data here. And what are we doing? We will visualize it now in the Beam Vision. Okay, to visualize our IFC data, we will just come here and open a new project. And here we have our data on the desktop, so we will just click on it and wait for a minute, and you see it's what we have. So that is our data. We just export. So like I said, this program is just to visualize for the visualization of IFC data. Okay, this is what I wanted to share with you. I hope you are having a nice weekend. I wish to see you next time. Have a good evening and ciao.